It is so hot. Oh my god. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In this video, we are going to be talking about CLARINS Face Treatment Oils. If you have not watched my The Best of CLARINS video, I would highly recommend for you to go ahead and watch the video because I have gathered all of my favorite products from this brand and then made a video about it. Hopefully you're gonna find the video useful. I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here for you guys and also down in the description box, just in case if you're interested. So CLARINS has 3 different types of oils in the line. They have the Lotus face treatment oil, which is designed for oily to combination skin. They do have the Blue Orchid face treatment oil designed for dehydrated skin. And they also do have the Santal face treatment oil designed for dry skin. All of these oils have no artificial fragrance, no preservatives as well. They are 100% pure plant extracts. It's even written on the bottle as well. They come in 30 ml, the full size, or 1 ounce, and they all retail $58. We are going to be talking about all 3 of them in this video. I'm going to give you guys more information, what kind of oils they are, how to use them, and why to use them as well. So let's go ahead and start with the Blue Orchid face treatment oil. This Blue Orchid, just like I mentioned, it is designed for dehydrated skin. And then CLARINS claim that it restores the vitality of your skin, gives a radiance and also freshness to your skin as well. This oil is designed for all skin types. Remember, I always mention it, you may be oily, but at the same time dehydrated. The Blue Orchid face treatment oil contains patchouli and also Blue Orchid essential oils in the product. And then the way you use this product, you do use it before your night skincare routine, or you use it on its own. You're gonna get a few drops of the product, warm up between your palms and then press it on the face. Sometimes you can use it just like a face oil mask as well. After your skincare, after your night skincare, use it, apply it, on top of your moisturizer, and then just leave it on during the night. And then it helps with the dehydration of your skin. The Lotus face treatment oil is going to tighten your pores. It's going to refine your skin and also brighten your complexion. The Lotus face treatment oil contains the essential oils of rosemary, chamomile, geranium, and the lotus extract, obviously. And also, by the way, for oily skin gals out there, don't be scared to use oils on your skin. Your skin produces oil, too much oil. It's because of the imbalance of the sebum production of your skin. So the way you treat it is to balance the sebum, is to balance the oil. So the oils like Lotus face treatment oil are gonna help your problem. So my own recommendation for you is don't use it every single day. If you want to switch to oils, incorporating oils in your skincare, do not use it every single day. Use it as a treatment. Use it once in 3 days or every other day, depending on your need. It all depends on your need. This is gonna help with the oil production of your skin. It balances the moisture as well, so you don't get too oily during the day. But at the same time, it's gonna help with the acne-prone skin people as well. So if you do suffer from acne, this may be something that you may wanna try, definitely. And then the way you use this product, you do use it the same way you use the Blue Orchid face treatment oil, but you are gonna concentrate the product more on the nose, on the chin, forehead, and where the T-zone is, where you get more oily during the day. And also, just to mention the texture of these oils, by the way, they are extremely lightweight. As you guys can see, it literally looks, even feels like water as well. You don't feel or see the heaviness of the oil at all when you apply it on your skin. It immediately absorbs into your skin and your skin is like, give it to me. It's like, I'm gonna drink it. It's super, super lightweight and comfortable as well. Going on to the Santal face treatment oil, obviously this is designed for dry skin. People like me are gonna love it. I have very, very dry and dehydrated skin, so this is gonna be my oil. The Santal obviously is the main ingredient, and then it contains cardamom, lavender, and parsley essential oils. It's gonna help with the moisturizing your skin. It comforts the dryness as well, and it helps with the redness at the same time. If you do have a redness on your skin, and then you do, when you apply any makeup products and then you do experience kind of redness, this oil is designed for your problem. All right, I think that's all in the video. Yes, let me know in the comment below what do you want to see next, or what would you like to know more about from this line. And also make sure to check out the Clarins video as well, the best of Clarins. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here for you guys. There you go. This video is recommended for you. All right, guys, you guys have a great day. Enjoy your day or night, whatever that you're doing, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye, guys.